Victor Kilo 3, Oscar Zulu Yankee. Can you hear me?
Yeah, roger, buddy. 5 and 1 to Melbourne, 5 and 1 at the moment, over.
Roger. Victor Kilo 3, Oscar Zulu Yankee. Victor Kilo 3, Oscar Zulu Yankee. And Victor Kilo 2, Golf Charlie, Golf Juliet Charlie. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Greg. You are 5 and 9, Grant. 5 and 9 here in the middle of the Swiss Alps. And Greg is much weaker. He's about 5 and 6. But the problem is that the noise level is an S6 to 7 here with me, running 10 watts with a vertical. We call it HB9NBG's Clever Whip Kit. And I'm sitting on the summit on 1,800 meters above sea level. Grant, 10 watts of power here. QSL?
Yeah, roger. All understood, Renee. Hotel Bravo 9. Hotel Bravo 9, November Bravo Golf, UK30ZY. Great to hear you, my friend. Very, very nice to hear you. Doing a 5 and 1, and making a good trip to Melbourne. Is your friend there? Is your lady friend with you? Over.
My YL is here, HB9 Fox Zulu Charlie. Karin is with me and she's making a short video. It's a little bit a pity that we have so much noise up here. It's a surprise, but it's a beautiful view around over the lake Lucerne. We can see to the lake Lucerne in the middle of Switzerland and running 10 watts from the KX2. And Karin is doing a video. Because of that, she cannot come to the microphone at the moment, Grant. QSL?
QSL, buddy, QSL. Send me a link when you finish the video on my email address. It's registered as you are there. So send me a link when you finish the video. I did hear the little voice in the background, though. I thought it might have been that's why I gave it a call. Please stand by, Renee. Please stand by. Greg is here. And he says that he can copy you. So stand by. Over to you, Greg. That's still a Greg. I didn't realise it was I'm only the first man. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my record or take it from there. Victor Bravo 9, November Bravo Golf. We're recording 3 by 1. 3 by 1.
Roger. Hello, Greg. Thanks for 3 by 1. You are 3 by 6. 3 by 6. It wouldn't be any problem if we wouldn't have any noise, but we have a noise level of S6. It's absolutely unusual on 1,800 meters above sea level. But I can hear you with 3 by 6. 3 by 6, Greg. QSL?
Ich muss mal driften. Ja.
Hotel Bravo 9, November Bravo Golf and Company, VK30ZY. Great to speak to you, Renee. Thank you for calling in. 73 to you, 73 to Karen. And send me a link to the video, buddy. I'm interested to see your setup there. Thanks very much. Have a great day. Over.
Yeah, Roger, Grant. We will do. We are on the SOTA tour today here in the middle of the Swiss Alps, and we'll be back this evening because there is the European Soccer Championship, and the Swiss ladies are playing this evening, and that we want to see. So we are on the mountains only for today, and by the way, the WX will change tomorrow. It's beautiful. There are some clouds here, but it's about, I think, 10 degrees Celsius here on 1,800 meters above sea level. For your information, if you're interested in it, the summit here has a reference of HB, Hotel Bravo / November Whiskey 016. Hotel Bravo / November Whiskey 016. That's the summit reference of this SOTA summit. I will send you the link tomorrow, Grant. Many thanks for letting me in. I wish you both all the best, all the best 73s into the company, to all who are listening here. Enjoy the day and thanks very much. Victor Kilo 3, Oscar Zulu Yankee, Victor Kilo 2, Golf Juliet Charlie. This is Hotel Bravo 9, November Bravo Golf Portable. 73 and many thanks for the contact. Okay, guys, I do it in English. Grant, you could hear you, I think so. Unfortunately, as you can see, when Karin comes again, once again, we have a noise level of an S7 to 8 up here. That's absolutely unusual. As you could see, we are really high here. Yeah, normally noise level is 0. But we have a noise level of S7, and so you were S9 and a little bit over. But yeah, it was a little bit difficult, but I could hear you and you could hear me. So it's great. That's the antenna, what we are using. That's the HB9 NBG's Clever Whip Kit. It's based on a hiking pole. These are 2 hiking poles, and we built a tripod with these 2 hiking poles, and then we've created a special adapter that fits here. That's in the package. You can find it in the package, and we have a little choke here inserted, a little choke, so that we shouldn't have we shouldn't have any I don't know the way. Any waves around. And then we are using the Chameleon SS17, and it's a full-size vertical that we are using. That's the counterpoise. It's a banana plug. It's a banana socket here in the base. It's integrated, the banana socket, and we've plugged in this banana plug, and that's the counterpoise. And you have markings on the counterpoise for every band. For each band, you have a marking. So when we change the band, we shorten the telescopic. We make it a little bit shorter so that it is a quarter wave for the band, and also we wind up the counterpoise wire a little bit. So to the marking, you can see to the mark on the wire for the band, so that it's fitting as a full-size L-shaped dipole. And that, as you can see, that was a long path QSO. I think the distance between us is about 20,000 kilometers with my 10 watts from the KX2. So that is really great, Greg. And Greg, many thanks, Greg. Sorry, conditions are really not good today. So usually I can hear you both with S9 and the 10 over 9, also from the summits at this time of the day. We have about quarter past 8 o'clock in the morning here, local time. So as you can see, beautiful Switzerland, beautiful SOTA day. Many thanks, and give us feedback, and hope to meet you soon again. My call sign, yeah, you know, HB9 November Bravo Golf, and behind the camera.
Hi Greg and Grant, here is Karin, HB9 Foxtrot Zulu Charlie Portable, and I wish you a very, very happy day, and it was great that you made the QSO with Run HB9 November Bravo Golf. Great!
Okay, 73, both of you, many thanks for the contact. Until the next time, thank you, bye.